Hello, I'm Max in Batumi. Today we will check the Batumi beach area, how busy it is and how the beach is looking like actually. This is 17th of June, so still not high season, and in this video you will be able to watch yourself what you can expect from the Batumi beach in June. Don't forget to subscribe for the daily Batumi vibes. I am near the Colosseum Hotel. There is the Orbis City, and you can see how busy is the road near the beach. On the right side from me there is actually the beach, so we will go there and see how busy it is. You can see there are some subboards. The new shower is installed right here, so it's still preparing for the high season, and there is the rear where you can change your clothes. And let's check how many people are there. I'm on the beach and let's check how many people are there. Okay, still not so busy. The weather is pretty hot already, but still not so hot. Not much people are swimming, and you can see beach area is pretty empty. Let's check the water. So looks like this. Great. The police is right there, and pretty a lot of people are swimming, and water is getting warmer every day. So yeah, the color is beautiful. Just check this. June is actually the great summer place, the great summer month to visit Batumi. It's still not super hot here. The water is already warm and still not much people around beach, and you can visit other places like mountains and some tours. But so this is the beauty of June in Batumi. I really like the June. We are back to the road, so not on the sand and not on the stones from the beach. I hope you were interested how the beach looked like in June, and I hope you will visit. Please share in comments what do you think about June in Batumi. For my opinion, this is the favorite month for me, but interesting how you think. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and also I have Instagram for daily Batumi vibes. Let's check the valley and we'll end the video. Hey, you can see the subboards there, you can see the safeguarders, and the water attractions are already in use. But the Batumi beach is still preparing. You can see some techniques there, but you see that people are pretty, every day is more and more people visiting this place. So come to Batumi and of course visit it. What a lovely vibe. I really want to try the subboard this summer because I never tried it before. So this is my goal number one for this summer on the Batumi beach. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you. Write in comment what is your goal number one for this summer.